I'm fine. Wag na, Lloyd. Baka mag-jealous pa ang iyong girlfriend. Wait. Now we follow each other. Sayang. Di ba sayang means mahal? Thank you, Mighty. But we don't have to... Anyways, who is this? I don't need me. You don't have to send gifts. May filter ka ba? I don't have any filter. Ang meron sa akin, alam niyo yung pampalit ng face, yun lang. Kasi nga, napataban ako sa sarili ko. Pero hindi naman siya OA. Parang 10%. Yeah, it's fine, but you don't have to. Legit ka ba? Hindi ako legit. I'm scammer. Scammer ako. Ewan ko sa'yo, nagtatanong ako, legit ba ako? Miss Go pa. Anong Go pa? Bakit wala kasi akong photo? Gusto ko mag- Wait, I don't have. Hi, Max. Hi, Ron. I-follow niyo na lang ako sa ano. Who is this? Parang I know her. Hi, Bert. Hi, Mr. Love. Hi, Canton. I'm gonna get some water lang. Basta kahit, sino mag-avail, isa lang. Just one. And I'm gonna go sleep. I'm gonna end my live. Is that your Instagram? Yeah, that's my Instagram, but I